How to use Apple Pay London Underground. So if you want to go ahead and use this, you have a few methods on how to do so. So the first one is to enable Express Travel Card Apple Pay on your iPhone. So all you have to do, rather than wait until the turnstile prompts you to give Touch ID or Face ID authentication, you can enable Express mode on a certain card in your Apple Wallet to work automatically without having to require authentication. Just tap and go. So open your settings on your iPhone, tap on Wallet and Apple Pay, tap on Express Travel Card, select on the card you want to use as your Express Travel Card, and if you got an iPhone XS or later, it'll even work for 5 hours after the battery has run out. You can also use your Apple Watch. So if your Apple Watch, you'll find it much quicker and easier to go through the turnstile. So if you've set up Express mode on or Express Transit mode as it's also known, simply place the watch face down on the yellow circle on and then you're through. If you got an Apple Watch Series 4 later, it'll work even when the battery has run out. So handy if you're pretty much late. You also wear your watch on your right arm, pretty much a tip. So for a quicker through the gate experience, wear your Apple Watch on your right wrist, as almost all Tube System gate readers are on that side. You can also save money with a weekly card, so it's not available to all Oyster card users, but contactless and Apple Pay users can actually benefit from weekly travel card fares if they tap in across the week. So TFL automatically works out the best cost according to your usage and then charge you the best rate possible. And always use the same device in and out because of the way Apple works. If you tap into the system on your iPhone, you have to tap out the iPhone as well. So otherwise, you'll be charged with the maximum fare. So always have this in mind. So if you change payment, like using your watch on the way out, even if it's the same card via Apple Pay, it thinks you're a different user and will charge you accordingly. But anyways, that's how you use your Apple Pay in London Underground. Those are some tips anyway. So hopefully this video can help you. And if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.